Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to recover your deleted TikTok videos, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok app. So once you open it, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on your profile, and once you're in your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you have tapped on it, go to your settings and privacy. Simply scroll down and tap on Activity Center. So once you're in your Activity Center, scroll down below and find the option called Recently Deleted. Simply tap on it, and now all the posts that you have deleted in the last 30 days will appear here. So if you have some deleted post, it will be here, and you can find the restore button right on that particular video. So once you tap on that restore button, you can recover your deleted TikTok videos. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.